What? I gotta go, bro. I can't watch no more of this, dog. What's up, Chain Gang? Where you at? Man, we back with another video, man. We back on the main channel, baby, man. This right here is the Cat in the Hat Trick Analog Horror, man. This is by Chris Archives, man. I'm ready for some scary. Yeah, man. This better be scary, dog. But hey, right here, man. Bump what you mean, dog. This a green eggs and ham book, bro. I got on everything right here, dog. No cap, man. But y'all hit that like, hit that sub. Let's get into it, man. All right, here we go.
In local news, the police have confirmed that 8-year-old Emily Smith was found dead this morning, apparently fallen from the second floor of her home. Inside the house, the bodies of her parents, Laura and Edwin Smith, were also found.
Oh, what, bruh? This is already starting to disturbing as heck, bruh. Emily, her body was found dead, and her parents. Ha! Let's rewind that. 8-year-old Emily,
In
bro.
local news, the police have confirmed that 8-year-old Emily Smith was found dead this morning, apparently fallen from the second floor of her home. Inside the house, the bodies of her parents, Laura and Edwin Smith, were also found. The little girl seemed to have suffered a tragic accident. However, the investigations are still ongoing.
How did her parents die then? Okay, she suffered a tragic accident, but how did her parents die? Okay, you ain't talking about that.
As the killer remains at large.
Okay.
Just a few blocks away from here, the body of Sarah Williams, the babysitter who had been hired to take care of Emily, was discovered. A few months ago, there was a series of disappearances and killings of children across the entire country. People vanished and never came back. But now, this is no ordinary killer. The whole town is terrified. If you see anything strange, don't hesitate to call the authorities. This is a real...
I'm snitching right now, okay? Where is that cat freak at? I'm snitching right now, bruh. I'm calling the police on the phone, and I'm snitching right now, dog. You know what I'm saying? 911, yeah, hurry up and come, bruh. You know what I'm saying? We ain't playing those games, okay?
Danger to everyone.
All right.
Again? Oh my God.
Why I can't see nothing? Why I can't see nothing?
Sweetheart, it's late. Come here. Give me a good night kiss.
I don't want to go to sleep yet, Mom. I'm not tired.
Go to sleep, sweetheart. It's very late.
Okay, but... Mom, can you check under the bed, please? Are there any monsters? I heard noises yesterday.
Under the bed?
Oh, Ethan. Of course I will. But there's nothing. Okay?
Oh, what?
Mom?
Oh, no! Bruh, no way, dog. No, I'm done. I'm done. You're ruining my childhood, bro. I'm done. I'm absolutely done, bro. Why this look like a freaking raccoon that just went outside in the hood dumpster and ate everybody outside, bro? Nah, bro, you just ruined my freaking childhood. I can't even look at Cat in the Hat anymore. Okay? This is crazy. All right, let's go, though, man. Let's go. That was insane.
Oh, surprise. I'm the Cat in the Hat. And you must be Ethan.
Who are you?
Yeah, who are you, bro?
Mom! Mom!
Easy there, little mouse. Your mom is fine. She's sleeping deeply right under your bed so we don't wake her, okay? She gave me permission to come out and play with you
What?
all
No,
night.
she's dead. I see the
Doesn't that
blood.
sound wonderful?
For real? Is my mom sleeping and she let me stay awake?
She's sleeping and she's dead.
Don't you want a chatty cat
Okay.
to entertain you? Come on. What should we play?
Okay, anything.
All right, you said anything. You said anything. Red light, green light. Why always gotta be this game? Huh? All right. Green light. Okay. I got on green too.
Oh, Ethan, you have to be faster.
Again. Now let's play Sleeping Lions.
Sleeping lion.
Ooh, what kind of game is that?
I close my eyes, and you have to make me move, either by making me laugh and stuff like that.
What a strange game.
I know that's
All right,
strange.
let's try.
Bro, what the heck? You breathing too hard, bro.
Mom?
Run. Fast.
She's saying to run if you don't get up and run right now, okay? That's all I'm saying.
Convenience.
Mom!
Okay.
Dang, why they had to do that to the mom? The mom was kind of
You
pretty.
lost the game.
For real. Dang, why all the pretty woman always gotta get hit like that, man? The mom was straight though, dog. I ain't gonna count. The mom was straight. Got her tied up. How did that happen?
Oh, you're nicely suited and ready for
What?
the show. And now, the one and only.
Nah, this torture right here. This torture. What in the world?
Please, let her go.
This is going to be incredibly grotesque, folks. So, shall we tone it down just a little for the audience?
I don't think we should do
We were
that.
in trouble now, wouldn't we, little mouse? Come on, little lambs, it's dinner time.
What? Ah! I gotta go, bro. I can't watch no more of this, dog. What?
You don't have to be scared. Or did you not like the show? Your
Nah,
mom played her part
didn't like the
very
show at
well,
all.
didn't she?
You're a monster. Stay away from me.
You know, I hate it when kids don't enjoy my tricks, little mouse. It really leaves me empty. Maybe I should fill my stomach with something less stylish. Come on, kid. Run now while you can. You wouldn't want the same fate as your mom, would you?
Does she have a choice? Does she have a choice? Okay, empty hallways. Where's the cat in the hat at? Oh, he trying to get her. Oh, no. Bro, what? Bruh, this shit crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Little mouse. Well, what a family reunion. Sorry, little ones, but I don't have time for vengeful ghosts.
He done kill her.
What?
And on my mama.
No, this is impossible.
What?
In my world, in my reality, I am the god here.
No, you're nothing.
Is that the girl?
You were hilarious, but not anymore. The only way you can keep doing this is because he was letting you. God is furious, and the devil has a special seed for you.
No, this can't be happening. No.
Oh, yeah, get the revenge on him. Bruh, what? Oh, that's what you deserve. That's what you deserve, man. Cat in the Hat, that's what you deserve, my guy. For real. The Daily Chronicle, November 21st, 2003. Stubborn nightmare mother brutally murdered. Serial killer link suspected. All you see is the Cat in the Hat, the hat. That's all you see, Brody. And this is a Daily Chronicle, bro. They actually got a freaking newspaper here. And it's old school music, bro. I don't know what this type of music is called, though. Y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all can take the time to read it, though. Local authority made a horrifying discovery late Tuesday night after responding in a flurry of 911 calls from terrified neighbors reporting blood curdling screams echoing from a quiet suburban residence. That's insane, bro. So they literally gonna have it. Okay. I ain't know if they're just gonna end it off with this newspaper or what's going on. Okay. Who is this? Who is this?
Oh, what a horrible happy ending that would have been. Wouldn't you say?
Right. Okay, who is this? That's the girl? Bruh, she ain't got no eye or nothing. Now this is the end. Okay, now this is the end. Okay. That was crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Insane. That's just the credits. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this entire video, man. I ain't gonna lie. This was insane, man. Hit that like, hit that sub. If you did watch this full video, man, write down basketball in the comment section, man. We out. Peace.